वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। From here we have to start. Abhyasah 1.3.5. Abhyasah 27. Okay. Savitri, you please read. Savitri, can unmute, please. Hello, can you hear me?
Oh, I'm sorry, I was in mute. I didn't realize that. Okay, I was reading. Etat kim, etat pustakam. Ete ke, ete pustake. Etani kani, etani pustakani. Etat kim, etat pushpam. Ete ke, ete pushpe. Etani kani, etani pushpani. Etat kim, etat phalam. Ete ke, ete phale. Etani kani, etani palani. Etat kim, etat patram. Ete ke, ete patre. Etani kani, etani patrani.
Indraji, you can do. Etat kim, etake, etani kani. Etat pushpam, ete pushpe, etani pushpani. Yeah.
एतत् व्यञ्जनं व्यजनं एते व्यजने एतानि व्यजनानि एतत् फलम् एते फले एतानि फलानि एतत् गृहम् एते गृहे एतानि गृहाणि एतत् मन्दिरम् एते मन्दिरे एतानि मन्दिराणि एतत् नगरम् एते नगरे एतानि नगराणि एतत् पर्णम् एते पर्णे एतानि पर्णानि एतत् कमलम् एते कमले एतानि कमलानि एतत् द्वारम् एतत् द्वारम् एते द्वारे एतानि द्वाराणि एतत् गजदम् sorry kagadam. What is that?
Paper. Kagidam, kagadam.
Kagadam. What is that, Sharanji?
Paper.
Paper. Kagidam.
Oh, okay.
In Tamil, kagidam.
Oh, okay.
Sanskritam, kagadam. Paper.
Okay. Etat kagadam. Ete kagade. Etani kagadani.
Yes. So we are familiar with all this. Yeshaha, yeto, yete, yesha, yete, yetaha, etat, ete, yetani, kaha, koke, ka, ke, kaha, kim, ke, kani. प्रश्नार्थक शब्दाः कः कोके का के एकाः किं के कानि. सर्वनाम शब्दाः प्रश्नार्थवाचक शब्दाः वाचकाः. एषः एतो एते एषा एते एताः एतत् एते एतानि. Already we did the abhyasa. Okay, anyway, we'll read just for the sake of completion reading. Sudhashi, please read.
एषः एतौ एते एषा एते एताः एतत् एते एतानि एषः बालकः एतौ बालकौ एते बालकाः
एषः बालकः. विसर्ग I'm not hearing.
एषः बालकः
Slowly.
एतौ
एषः बालकः एतौ बालकौ एते बालकाः.
एतौ बालकौ एते बालकाः एषा बालिका एते बालिके एताः बालिकाः
एताः बालिकाः. What's sandhi? Can apply sandhi also, right? What's sandhi? एताः बालिकाः.
यत्वा
Yatvam happens.
एता बालिकाः. विसर्गस्य यकारादेश यकारस्य लोपः.
Lopa about.
एषः बालकः.
एष बालकः.
Visarga will drop. All this we have learned. Saha and Eshaha. Right?
Yes.
If he has sandhi, then it becomes problem, right? Difficult to answer. Okay, continue.
एतत् पुस्तकम् एते पुस्तके एतानि पुस्तकानि.
Read slowly. It's then only will develop language, and sandhi also try to remember. I will ask in between. Now saha taute. Please continue.
सः कः सः काकः तौ कौ तौ काकौ ते के ते काकाः.
Here also saha kaha. Sandhi would be
स कः.
same rule. Visarga will drop even when followed by ka. We should not apply upadmanya. Never say sakha kaha. That's wrong. Visarga will drop. For yeshaha and saha followed by a consonant, visarga will drop. Sakaha, sakakaha. That's how you will hear the spoken language. They will not say sahakaha, maybe for the beginners. Sakaha, sakakaha, sakakaha. Okay, yes.
स कः स कपोतः तौ कौ तौ कप तौ कपो कपोतौ कपोतौ
Kapotau.
कपोतौ ते के ते कपोताः. सः कः सः मकरः तौ कौ तौ मकरौ ते के ते मकराः. सः कः सः सैनिकः तौ कौ तौ सैनिकौ ते के ते सैनिकाः.
So here what happens? Saha sainikaha. What's on the eye?
ससैनिकः.
Sainikah.
Sasainikah. Visarga will drop. When followed by a hal, whatever may be the hal, whether it is shar or among the kar it is ka or kha, doesn't matter. It will drop. Okay. Next one. Kiranji, you want to read?
I can read, but I may not be able to,
Yeah, try.
Saha kaha, saha ashvaha, tau kau, and that will be tau ashvahau.
Ashvau, not Ashvakau.
Ashvau, okay.
Ashvau.
Ashvau, te ke, te ashve,
Te Ashvaha. Ashva is Pullinga. 1 horse, 2 horse, many horses. Ashvaha. Te Ashvaha.
ashvaha. Okay.
Saha Ashvaha. Not you others. What sandhi is that?
Saha Ashvaha.
See, Sa Ashwa.
Sa Ashvaha, really? Visarga will drop.
No, it will not drop.
Oh, it will not drop. So Shvaha. So Shvaha.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Preceded by ya, followed by ya,
Ashvaha.
Utva, then Guna, and Pararupa Santi. Soham, remember.
Yes.
Okay.
Mahavakya, remember. Soham, not Tamil
Form will
Soham.
happen. Yeah.
Soshvaha.
So Shvaha.
Yeah, please continue.
Saha Kaha. Saha Vanaraha.
Vanaraha, not Vanaraha. Vanaraha, Bhagavachan, plural.
Bahuvachan. Okay. Vanaraha. Is that okay, Sharanji?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Vanaraha.
Yes.
Tau Kau. Tau Vanarau.
Yes.
Te Ke. Te Vanaraha.
Hmm.
Saha Kaha. Saha.
Ballu, Ballukaha.
Bhallukaha.
Ballukaha.
Bhallukaha.
Yes.
Tau Kau. Tau Kau. Bhallukau.
Yes.
Te Ke. Te Ke. Your picture. Te Ke. Te Ke. Te Bhallukaha.
Yes.
Saha Kaha. Saha Shukaha. Shukaha. See, I'm making a mistake. Saha Shukaha.
Yes.
Tau Kau. Tau Shukau. Te Ke. Te Shukaha. Saha Kaha. Saha Bakaha. Bakaha. Tau Kau. Tau Bakau. Te Ke. Te Bakaha.
Very good. Now, Srilinga, Indraji.
Sa ka, sa chataka, te ke, te chatake, taha kaha, taha chatakaha.
Taha, Kaha, Sandhi would be?
Yatvam.
Yatvam.
Yatvam, Sharanji.
Really? Think. Followed by Kakara. How can we Yatvam?
Oh.
Followed by Ash only Yakara. This is not a Ash letter. This is not a soft consonant.
Oh, okay, correct. No, I don't know.
Takaha.
Hmm?
Takaha. It is
Taha, Kaha, or Tah, Kaha.
Takaha.
Upat, that, Jikvamuli.
Formally.
Only Pratama Vibhakti, Saha, Yashaha only will drop. Not for other. Please note.
Yeah.
And Yattam cannot happen. Followed by a Kar letter.
Kar letter.
Yattam will come. Tah, Kaha. Okay. And the answer is Taha, Chatakaha. That Sandhi would be?
It's a kar letter. So it will be Tas Chatakaha. Tach, it will become Shtutvam will come. After that, Shutvam will come.
Yes.
So
Yes.
Tas Chatakaha will come.
First is Kar letter follows, therefore Visarga replaced by Sakara.
Sakara.
Then Sakara will be replaced by, because it is in
Sakara.
Sakara. That's a Sakara is in contact with following
In
two
contact
letter.
Correct.
Shutvam will apply. Sakara will be replaced by Shakara.
Chaka.
Tash Chatakaha. Okay. We do Sandhi, it will be like that. With spoken language, if you see the news, DD news, what I send morning to the class, DD news, all those you'll see, they speak so fast. Taha Chatakaha. Do you think these lessons are helpful? Shall we continue this or so too easy?
No, it is zero.
No, it's helpful.
Okay. Yeah, please continue.
Sa ka, sa branch, I forgot.
Not branch. This is not a branch.
It is
Pushpa.
no, the second
Pushpa.
one. Second one we haven't done.
Oh, okay.
I didn't read
Sorry. Yeah, okay. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Shakha. The
Shaka.
vocabulary also is important. So in that sense, it's good. Vocabulary is important. शाखा
Yes, yes.
आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्ग शब्दः.
स्त्रीलिङ्गः.
Yes.
सा का सा शाखा ते के ते शाके ताः काः ताः शाखा शाखाः.
Yes.
हा और शाखा
शा
शाखा
शाखा.
शाखा तालव्य शकार. Then tash
ताश.
शाखाः it will become Vindusanditya.
सा का सा पुष्पम.
Kalika bud.
Sorry.
Kalika is
Rose.
bud no, not rose.
Bud.
It's not.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, flower bud.
सा का सा कलिका ते के ते कलिके ताः काः ताः कलिकाः. साः का सा का सा पिपीलिका ते के ते पिपीलिके ताः काः ताः पिपीलिकाः.
Continue.
सा
No,
का
here these all are akaranta shabda. Now you will see ikaranta shabda. So all the
Okay.
shabdas you must be remembering. Adi shabda. Yeah.
सा का सा भिक्षुकी
Pulinga would be. What is the Pulinga word?
स्त्रीलिंग.
No, I'm asking what is the Pulinga word?
भिक्षुका.
Bhikshukah.
भिक्षुकः.
Okay. Yeah.
भिक्षुकी ते के ते भिक्षुक्यौ ताः काः ताः भिक्षुक्यः. सा का सा नर्तकी ते के ते नर्तक्यौ ताः काः ताः नर्तक्याः.
Yes.
नर्तक्यः. Sorry.
Sorry. Yeah. You're not the sorry. Yeah.
नर्तक्यः. सा का सा.
So common mistake we do nartakyaha, never
Yeah.
nartakyaha. Yes.
सा का सा नदी ते के ते नद्यौ ताः काः ताः नद्यः.
Yeah. Yes. What's on the taha nadyaha?
ताः नद्यः. This will be Yatvam, Sharanji.
Yes. Yes. Ta nadyaha.
था नद्य.
Nadyaha. Okay.
सा का सा नारी ते के ते नार्यौ ताः काः ताः नार्यः नार्यः.
Yes. Nadyaha. Now, Napumsakalinga. Tat kim.
तत्
Yes.
किं
Swasi. You will read. Next person.
तत्किं ते के तानि कानि तत्फलं ते फले तानि फलानि तत्पुष्पं ते पुष्पे तानि पुष्पाणि तद्गृहं ते गृहे तानि गृहाणि तद्व्यजनं ते व्यजने तानि व्यजनानि तत्पर्णं ते पर्णे तानि पर्णानि तत्पत्रं ते पत्रे तानि पत्राणि तत् गुञ्जनं
Grinjanam.
What is
ते
Gri.
Grinjanam?
Not guru. Not gu. Gri. Grinjanam.
गृञ्जनं
What
Carrot.
is it?
Vegetable carrot.
Carrot. Oh.
तत् गृञ्जनं ते गृञ्जने तानि गृञ्जनानि
What's on the tad grinjanam?
Tad Grinjanam will come.
Yes.
First is
Tad-
Jastam.
जस्टं तु
Jastam 2 also will be there.
Yes. Justum 1 will apply. After that, Justum 2 also be applied.
तत् आलुकं ते आलुके तानि आलुकानि तत् पनसं ते पनसे तानि पनसानि तत् कमलं ते कमले तानि कमलानि.
So here it's car letter, therefore Justum, and after that Chattam, Patram, Panasam, Kamalam. And here it will be just tadalukam, we can say. Tadalukam is tatalukam, tadalukam. The Vashyam and all, you will have something words like that. So it should be able to split. Yad vachoha vacham savu pranasya pranaha. Yad become yad yashvasandhi. Yad vachoha vacham. We'll be able to
What is
split.
pansam?
Huh?
What's pansam?
Panasam is jackfruit.
Panasam. Oh, okay.
Panasapalam, jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
Yes. Okay, then next one. So Pratama Vibhakti, I hope all of you must be very, very familiar. Much familiar.
Sharanji, that tat alukam, that is a
Tadalu.
consonant followed by vowel, no?
Just Sandhi only it's Tadalukam. Tadu plus alukam, tadalukam. Jashva and then Melanam.
Only Melanam. Okay.
Yes, yes. No, Sandhi. I mean, Jastam of course happens.
Yes.
Avadheyam, Avadheya should be understood. Avadheyam. Okay. Eshaha yeto yete, we know. Maybe we can chant once. Eshaha yeto yete.
एते
एकः एतौ एते
Esha yete yetaha.
ईशा
Etat yete yetani. Saha taute. Ta tetaha. Tat tetani. Kaha kauke. Ta kekaha. Kim kekani. Eshaha kaha. Saha kaha. Etau kau. Tau kau. E ke. Right? Ete ke. Like that you have to match. But not seeing the script. In all, in the mind, all the shabdas you have to pick up the word. Okay, now let me ask. You ask me the question. Who is this? How do you ask? I'll show that this is suppose. How do you ask?
Eshaha kaha.
Eshaha kaha.
Swaha
Eshaha
kaha.
kaha. Eshaha.
Shikshaka.
Already we have read this. I will not read it. Don't worry. Now you ask me in plural. What are these?
Ete kaha.
No.
Ete ke.
Ete ke. Gataha is pullinga.
Ete ke.
Ete ke. Similarly, anyone, okay, this is open to all. Anyone can ask. Ask me in Dvivachanam. What are these two?
Kau kapatau. Kau kaha. Kau.
Tau kau. Yes.
Tau kau.
Tau kau. Tau kapota would be the answer, right? Similarly. In Sanskrit, I think we read, but anyway, we have read this in the class, I think. Eshaha kaha, eshaha keshavaha. Keshavaha kim karoti, keshavaha
Namati.
kim saha likati. Na. Saha. Na also just say, not nahi. Nahi in Hindi, it's okay. Nahi, you're na. Saha na likati. Saha kim karoti, saha namati. Eto ko, eto. Balako. Balako kim kurutaha, karoti kurutaha. We chant every class, right?
Yes.
Important bubble form kriya padam it is. Balako kim kurutaha, balako patataha. Kim. Tau likataha. So, kim is a question. Therefore, you have to ask question in that intonation. Kim. Tau likataha. Na. Tau na likataha. Tau patataha. Not kim tau likataha. Not like that. Kim tau likataha. Nato na likataha. Like not like news reading. Huh? You have to ask in that intonation. It's an interrogation, right? Kim Shabda interrogation. Ete ke ete vanaraha. Vanaraha kim kurvanti? Vanaraha khadanti. Kim? Te kurdanti? Na. Te na kurdanti. Te khadanti. Similarly, okay. Savidri can read each one of you one by one.
Esha kaha. Eshaha ashvaha. अश्व किं करोति? अश्वः धावति। किं सः तिष्ठति? नहि, सः न तिष्ठति, सः धावति।
The same thing you do in Dvachanam.
एतौ कौ, एतौ अश्वौ। अश्वौ किं कुरुतः? अश्वः अश्वौ
Ashwa.
धावतौ। sorry.
Davat. Dhavatah. Not
धावति,
Dhavatah.
sorry, धावतः धावतः धावतः
Yes. Okay.
धावतः धावन्ति, sorry, धावति धावतः।
Hmm.
किं तौ तिष्ठतः? न, तौ न तिष्ठतः, तौ धावतः।
Yes, very good. The same way. Next person. Indra, you read this.
एतौ कौ, एतौ गजौ, एतौ किं कुरुतः? गजौ, no, sorry, गजौ किं कुरुतः?
Hmm.
गजौ चलतः। किं तौ,
No, no.
किं, no, किं तौ धावतः? नहि, तौ न धावतः, तौ चलतः।
You convert this into singular.
Okay. एषः कः? एषः गजः। गजः किं करोति? गजः चलति। किं no, किं सः धावतः?
Davati.
sorry, धावति। नहि, सः न धावति। तौ चलतः। सः चलति।
It's not be difficult. Wherever tau is the replaced by saha. Wherever davatah kriya padam is the replaced by ti. Chalati, davati. Right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Surasvi.
एते के एते मयूराः मयूराः किं कुर्वन्ति मयूराः नृत्यन्ति किं ते विचरन्ति नहि ते न विचरन्ति.
No, I should not read like that. You are reading like a.
Yes.
There is no interrogation. Kim. Te
Kim te
vicharanti.
vicharanti.
Not kim te. Kim. Te
Kim.
vicharanti.
विचरन्ति नहि ते न विचरन्ति ते तु नृत्यन्ति.
Yeah. Convert this into Dvachanam. Dual.
एतौ कौ एतौ मयूरौ मयूरौ किं कुर्वतः
Kurutaha.
कुतः मयूरः नृत्यतः
Mayurau.
मयूरौ नृत्यतः किं तौ विचरतः नहि तौ न विचरतः तौ तु नृत्यतः.
Yes. Without saying, you should be able to say, anyway, Srilinga forms are there that I think we have. All the vocabulary, I think you know. We have done this in our class. Yeah. So, Chatra, Shikshika, Paricharika, Chataka, Aja, Pipilika. I think you know all these words. Nauka, Kunjika, Ghatika, then Patashala kitchen, Utpitika table, Vichakarika, Dola, Javanika is curtain, Suchika, right? Paricharika means nurse. Okay. Petika, Agni Petika, Churika, Katwa, cot. Prayogashala is laboratory. Dinadarshika, daily calendar. Mapika, scale, ruler. Mala, Tula, Nakshika, Vruddha, Vruddha, Pullinga, Vruddha, Srilinga. Patashala, Vidya, Srilinga. Vidyalaya, Pullinga. Then Veena Siktavartika candle. Tata. Okay, now let us do this. Yes. Kiranji, please read.
एषः कः एषः राजेशः सः किं करोति सः हस्ति
Asati. Asti may be India.
हसति
Asati. Yes.
हसति
Laughing.
या एषा का एषा शिक्षिका सा किं करोति सा लिखति किं सा पठति सा न पठति सा तो लिखति लिखति
Likhat. Yes.
लिखति एतौ बालकौ तो किं कुरुतः तौ खेलतः एते अजय ते किं कुरुतः ते चरतः किं ते पिबतः
Kim.
ते न
Te
पिबतः पिबतः ते न पिबतः ते तु चरतः
Yes.
I wanted to ask a question. Why this Kim instead of K, Kim is used?
Instead of
K or that gender sarvanama, Kim te pibatah. Instead of that, why it is not K te?
who are they playing? What is the
Hey,
question? What is the question? Kete pipataha, what will be the translation?
Irrespective of the gender, this Kim is used. Kim.
It means Kim is, there are two types of Kim. If you say Kete, Kete means who are they drinking? That becomes the question meaning. If you say Kete, that is not the question here. Kim, te pipataha, do they drink? That's the meaning. So Kim is Avyayam. It is a different Kim totally. It is not Kim is any no Makaranta, Pulinga, Srilinga, Napumsakalinga. No, this is the Avyayam, indeclinable. Good question. Yes. Te
We
Kim
can say-
Kurutaha.
we can say as Kim Kurutaha va. That way it is Kim is only, that is va
No,
only.
then Va is used in Kim not required. Te Kurutaha Va.
It's like a replacement of that.
Te Pibataha, not Kurutaha. Te Pibataha Va. Do they drink? Va at the end can be used. Va is indeclinable. It has got two meanings. One is or, other one is interrogation. So Kim is interrogative here. So it
Yes.
is not the Kim which you decline. Kaga kauke, kake, kaha, Kim, Kim. That is not the one here. Here it is indeclinable. Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yutsavaha Mamaka Pandava Shaiva Kim Akurvata E Sanjaya. What were they doing? So there also Kim is there. Mamakaha Pandavaha Kim Akurvata. That should be K Akurvata. Why Kim is there? Declinable. The answer is what were they doing? That is the question, interrogation. Kim Kur Akurvata. My people and Pandavaha, right? The first shloka itself is there. Kim. Okay. Good. Good question. That is. Yeah. Continue. Next person. Savitam.
एते के एते बालकाः ते किं कुर्वन्ति ते क्रन्दन्ति किं ते पठन्ति ते न पठन्ति किं ते पठन्ति ते
Kim,
न
you can
पठन्ति
after that you can have comma. If it is not for your understanding. Kim, comma. Kim.
किं
Te
ते
patanti.
पठन्ति ते न पठन्ति ते तु क्रन्दन्ति.
Yeah. Can you make it into singular?
एषः कः एषः बालकः एषः किं करोति
Yes.
एषः क्रन्दति कः किं किं सः पठति
Yes.
सः न पठति सः तु क्रन्दति
Very good. Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
this is female gender. This is female gender.
Which one?
No, no, no,
sorry
no.
I should have said sa
No,
yeah
no,
Yes.
no. It's
Balika.
correct only.
Yeah, you
no,
are right.
balikaha only no next one is yeah, yeah.
Yes. Next one you can read, Indraji.
एताः काः एताः बालिकाः किं ताः
No.
क्रीडन्ति
Kim.
किं ताः क्रीडन्ति
Hmm.
न हि ताः नृत्यन्ति
Yes. Continue.
एषा का अस्ति एषा वाटिका अस्ति
Garden.
Yeah. अत्र जनौ भ्रमतः अत्र लताः कलिकाः च सन्ति भ्रमराः गुञ्जन्ति चटकाः विहरन्ति
Yes. Now convert this into singular.
This one?
Etaha kaha onwards. Whatever you read.
Oh, okay. Esha sa no.
Esha.
Singular you said, right?
Hmm.
Singular.
Esha ka.
Esha ka Esha balika
Hmm.
Kim
Kim sa kridati.
किं सा क्रीडति न हि सा नृत्यति.
Hmm.
This also
Did
singular
Already you converted to dual.
dual. Okay. एते के अस्ति
Staha.
स्तः एते के स्तः एते वाटिके
Staha.
स्तः sorry अत्र जना
No. Already dual only. Already dual only, right?
okay अत्र जनौ भ्रमतः that will be the same, right?
Yes.
अत्र
Hmm.
yeah अत्र लता
Dual.
kalika
Now you
cha
can do dual. Dual here.
oh you wanted me to convert into dual, right? अत्र लते kalike cha स्तः
Hmm.
भ्रमरे भ्रमरौ sorry भ्रमरौ गुञ्जतः
Hmm.
चटकौ विहरतः.
Vyartaha. Yes. I'm taking Chataka as a pullinga. Fine. What is the word for the table?
Utpitika.
Utpitika. The next one?
ajah
Aja, feminine goat. Aja is pullinga. Next one?
we just saw caught is cut something came
Khatwa.
cut.
Bicycle
द्विचक्रिका
and the swing. Dola.
No dola
Dola, then ruler.
That was pasam puppy.
Ma Pita.
Mapika.
See, you need to remember, huh?
Yeah, we
Okay.
just saw.
Then
Marjanam is what?
where's Marjanam? Marjanam
No,
is,
duster. Oh, okay.
yes, it is Marjanam. Brahmaraha, Brahmaraha. Gunjati is, which one will come?
Brahmara.
Brahmaraha.
Ekavachanam. Pipili, which one will come? Chalataha.
Pipilike.
Pipilike. No.
Asti.
Shalataha.
Tulika.
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 Tulika. Santi.
Dichakrika.
Chakarikaha.
Chakrikaha. Bhagavachanam. Charanti.
Ajaha.
Ajaha.
Ajaha Charanti. So all these forms you know. So here, Lata asti, sa asti. Mahilaha asanti.
Mahilaha asti.
Fill in the blank.
No, Ta.
Taha.
Taha.
Hmm.
Taha
Sudha vadati. Dash vadati.
Sa vadati.
Sa. Ashvaha davati. Dash davati.
Taha.
Balakau pashyataha. Dash pashyataha.
Tau pashyatah.
Brahmaraha gunjanti. Dash gunjanti.
Te gujami.
Te gunj.
Te gunjanti. Now dash charataha. From this, which one you will take? Charataha, what vibhakti, what, sorry, what purusha, what vacharam?
Ajay.
Ajay.
Charatah.
Ajay. Two
Simha.
goats. Garjanti.
Simha garjanti.
Yes. Lions. Roar. Namanti.
Bhakta.
Bhaktaha.
Asati.
Alaka.
Balakaha.
Chalati.
Chakrika.
Dvichakrika.
Dvichakrika. Rama dash.
Rama.
Rama.
Singular.
Nityati.
Nrityati. Chatake.
Chatake.
Grahata.
Is viharatah. Jagatake viharatah.
Chataka. Chatake. Chatakaha.
Gayatah.
Balike.
Gayatah.
Endah.
Chatraha.
Shanti.
Shanti.
Janaha.
Pashyanti.
So we can say that yes, both are Bhagavachanam. Here onwards, the Pumsakalinga. Varnam, Palam, Sanganakam. Sanganakam is Sandhi. Sam plus Ganakam. What Sandhi?
Anuswara first. Makara will become the and
Anuswara.
then
Anuswara will be replaced by Parasavarna.
Parasavarna.
Parasavarna Sandhi. Sanganakam. Pustakam, Napumsakalinga. Pustika, Strilinga. That is all the book only. Vartula. Vartula is round. Ayata, rectangle. Yeah, Vartula. Vartulam, Vartule, Vartulani. Griham. Vyajanam, Vidyut Vyajanam. It's a compound. Vidyut is electricity. Vidyut is this lighting also Vidyut. But here Vidyut is electricity. Vidyut Vyajanam. Patram. Microscope is Darshaka is that by what you see. That's called Darshaka. Sukshma Darshaka is microscope. Sukshma Darshaka. Napumsakalinga. Sukshma Darshakam. Sukshma Darshake. Sukshma Darsha. Kani. Sukshma Darshakani. Relayanam. Relayane. Rela. Yanani.
Relayanani.
Chatram. Mukutam. Vadyam. Dwaram. Dwaram door. Vatayanam. Window. Vatayane. Vatayanani. Upanetram. Sopanam. Needam. Nest. Needam. Neede. Needani. Panjaram. Cage. All these things in the lesson will come. Vimanam. Kridanakam already we saw. Kridanakam, right? Kridanakam.
Karavastra.
Then Karavastra is handkerchief.
Handkerchief.
Bhavanam, bungalow. Duradarshanam. Narikelam. Udyanam. Kamalam, Tankatam, Sutra is thread.
Kangatam.
Okay, from here, simple one. Kiranji, you please read. For you, simple one.
एतत् किम् अस्ति एतत् फलम् अस्ति then द्वि एते के स्तः एते फले स्तः then बहुवचनम् एतानि कानि सन्ति एतानि फलानि सन्ति
Please note Asti, Staha, Santi. Kriyapadam.
सन्ति
Yeah.
किम् एते पुष्पे न स्तः एते पर्णे स्तः
Mm. It's a statement.
Parne
Ete
means,
Parne Staha.
पर्णे means
Leaves.
Shravan. Okay.
Two leaves. These are two leaves.
Okay. किम् एतानि पुस्तकानि न एतानि मुकुटानि
Yes. Please continue.
एतानि कानि सन्ति एतानि विमानानि सन्ति
Mm.
अत्र बालाः किं कुर्वन्ति अत्र बालाः क्रीडन्ति
What is the meaning of Atra?
अत्र means where
No.
There.
there
Atra, not there.
Here.
Atra is here.
Here.
here
Atra
okay
is there.
Tatra is.
yeah tatra is there sorry tatra is there atra is here किं यानानि चलन्ति न केवलं चक्राणि चलन्ति एषा का एषा बालिका किम् अत्र वीणाः सन्ति न अत्र एका एव वीणा अस्ति okay so means like there are multiple and now it's saying it's only one
Yes.
okay
Are there many Venas? No.
no there's only one
There's only one
Mhm.
Veena here. Please continue. Kiranji.
okay एते के सतः
Staha,
एते
not.
हाँ स्तः
Hmm.
एते छत्रे स्तः किम् अत्र रेल यानानि सन्ति न अत्र कार याने स्तः किम् एतत् वाद्यं न एतत् जलपात्रम्
Jalapatram.
जलपात्रम् see my I eat vowels sometimes on एते के एते व्यजने स्तः
Yajane Staha. It's a statement, not question.
okay एते व्यजने स्तः okay कानि एतानि एतानि पराणि एतानि पर्णानि
Parnani.
एतानि पर्णानि किम् एतत् विमानं न एषः खगः
Hmm. So it's a bird.
खगः उत्पतति
Utpatati. Flies.
okay
Utpatati. Utpatataha. Utpatanti.
उत्पतति उत्पततः उत्पतन्ति
We know Relayanam and
चक्षु
what is
Netre.
नेत्रे
Ray. Just now it's on. This is
mirror will be
Darpanam.
Darpanam.
darpanam
Darpan.
And what are these?
Prani.
Huh?
Chatrani.
Chatrani.
Sani and
Chatrani.
right
Balaka.
side
Aha.
Balakaha. Then
balakaah
Vimane.
Vana.
Vimane.
No, only two are there.
Oh, the third. Okay. I saw it three.
Okay, next one door.
Dwaram.
Door.
Takaha kim kurvanti? Taka flies. Takaha
उत्पतन्ति
उत्पतति
Utpatanti.
उत्पतन्ति
What sandhi is here? Hmm?
यत्त्वं
विसर्ग
Yes, yatvam. Same thing. Yatvam happens, goes away. Yakara. Ashvaha kim kurvanti?
धावन्ति
अश्वः धावन्ति
Dhavanti. Balaha kim kurvanti?
क्रीडन्ति
Kridanti. Or khelanti also. Mayuro kim kurutaha?
नृत्यति
मयूरौ
नृत्यतः
Nirutyataha. Dvivachanam. Kani patanti?
फलानि पतन्ति
Ba-
पर्णानि
पर्णानि
Yeah, leaves. Bale kim turtaha?
बाले
असतः
हसतः
Sataha. Now, etat patati bhagavachanam. Similarly, you write. Etat palam in bhagavachanam would be
एतानि फलानि
palani. Ete vyajane ekavachanam.
एषा वै व्यजना
एषा व्यजन
Etat vyajanam. How will be esha? Huh?
एतत्
Etat vyajan napumsakalinga. How will be esha?
एषु एतत् व्यजनं
Etani yanani. Dual.
एते
Ete
यानानि याने
yane. Etat yane. Bravaraha gunjati bhagavachanam.
गृह्णन्ति
गृञ्जन्ति
Mayuraha nrityati dvivachanam.
मयूरं नृत्यतः
मयूरौ
नृत्यतः
नृत्यतः
This is what we did also and is given in the lesson. Okay. Kokile. Which one will be the right Kriya Padam? Kokila is cuckoo. Two kokilas. Kokila, kokile. Huh?
पूजतः
Pujataha. Pavanaha.
पवनः इति पवनः
Vahati carries.
इति वहति
Huh?
वहति
Vahati is carrying.
Yeah,
Pavanaha vayuhu vahati.
அப்புறம் பேசுறேன்
Flows. Vahati flows also.
அப்புறம் பேசுறேன்
Carries, flows.
ஒரு இல்ல கிளாஸ் இருக்கு
Pavanaha vahati.
சரி
Then pushpam.
विकसति
विकसति
Khagaha.
उत्पतति
Flies.
उत्पतति
Utpatati. We have another word also for lying. Dayate.
आत्मनेपदे
दयते
Atmanepadi dhatu. Dhatu is D dhatu. Okay. I do it a little more technical also. I mean, not technical. Kriyapadam. Dhatu is D dhatu. First conjugation. From that we get Utpatati is simple. Okay, that also I will do. Both. See, dhatu is Pat dhatu. Pat dhatu plus step. What is the next step?
you would add the Gana Vikarana
Shap
Shap
will come. Pat, then Pat plus Shap.
Pat
That becomes
Pat
Pat plus Shap becomes Pata.
Pata
Pata is the anga for tip. That is the. Then you get
yes patati
Add the prefix ut before that. Then what do you get?
Utpatati
उत्पतति
So adding prefix ut plus patati. Then ud plus patati. You are forgetting the step.
yes
Jumping.
yes Jastum and then
Then
Chattam
chartvam.
yes
This is how you have to do it. Jastam followed by chartvam. Utpatati. This is what in the lesson. Utpatati flies. Utpatati, utpatataha, utpatanti. Now another dhatu is there. One I will write, other you will do it. D dhatu, first conjugation. D plus atmanepadi. Te. Te is what pratyaya?
Sarvadhatuka
Sarvadhatuka. When sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows a dhatu, in Kartari prayaga, what will come?
Gana
Shap will
Vikarana will
come.
come Shap will come
And D is the
Anga
anga for, don't forget the steps. D is the anga for
Shap
shap. D plus shap is the anga for
plus Te
hey, yes. So first put the bracket. Shap is Savadatuka with Pratyaya. And Anga ending with what letter?
E. So ik letter. It will come.
Ik letter.
Therefore,
Angakaryam will come. So E
Angakaryam.
will
D will
become
become
A.
A.
day now.
Guna.
A. Right? Then Shap,
Yeah.
you remember the packing letter. Angakarya done. Now Sandhi Karya, if it is possible, you have to do day plus A. Sandhi possible? Yes or no?
Yes, yeah, Ayadi will come.
Ayadi will come. Day will become
Die.
die.
Dai.
Die plus A.
Dayate.
Dayate.
Dayate. That is what the
Dayate.
form is. Dayate. 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 Dayante. That you do it.
Dayase.
Khagaha. Dayate. Or Kagaha Utpatati. Kagau Utpatataha. Kagau
Dayatah.
Dayate.
Dayate.
You need to memorize Labate, Labete, Labante. That is why we chant every class.
Yes.
Kagaha Utpatanti. Birds fly. Kagaha
Dayante.
Dayante.
Dayante. Aham Utpatami. I fly.
Daya.
Aham.
Daye.
Daye.
Very good. Daye. Okay. Daye. Nice. Okay, this lesson we will read a little later. Let us come back here. Abhyasaha 29. Okay, we will start from the beginning again. Starting from Savitri.
Yes.
See that and then fill in the blanks. You are the questioner, you are the answerer also.
Etau kau.
No.
Ethe ke. Ethe pushpe.
Hmm.
Kamale also. Ethe kamale.
Kamala, yes, why not? You can say them.
Ethe kamale.
Not Etani.
No,
Only
ethe.
two are there. Yes.
Etani kani. Etani phalani.
No.
The next one, the second one.
No.
Phalani. That one is amra, and then this is pomegranate. There's grapes.
That's okay. I'm not talking about the Palani. Palani only I know. You also know. I also know. Everybody knows it. They are fruits only. What else? Then what is the mistake?
Etani kani. Etani phalani.
No.
Etani.
What is the mistake then?
Okay. Kim ke
No.
kani. 1 second.
Roses, they are, I mean, lotuses are near. This is far. Cannot use etani.
Okay. Tani. Tani
Hmm.
kani. Tani
Tani kani.
Tani phalani.
That's a difference. Otherwise, why so much space for that palani? Huh?
I didn't see that.
Then next one.
Etau ke.
Etoke. Huh? Etoke doesn't exist.
Etau kau.
Hmm.
Etau kau. One is both are teachers, huh?
One.
One.
Both are men teachers.
Okay. Shikshakau. Etau shikshakau.
Yes.
Shikshakau. Tau kau. Tau balak. Tau chatrau.
Yes.
Mala. Okay. Mala. Okay. Kaha. Etaha kaha. Etaha malaha.
Yes.
Tau kau. Tau mayurau.
Yes.
Etani kani. Etani phalani. Amrani.
Yes. Amrani.
Ajaha. Tau kau. Tau
No,
ajaha.
they are female goats.
Okay. Ete ke. Ete
Not
ajaha.
ete. Not ete.
Ete no. Okay. Ka ke ka. Right?
Goats are not near. Okay. You can't just ete.
Okay.
You cannot ask somebody is 1
Te.
kilometer away. You cannot say Eshaha. Huh?
Te.
Right?
Okay. Yeah. Te ke. Te. Ajay.
Yes. Indraji. Vocabulary is important.
Yes. Ete ke, ete bakaha,
Bakaha, yes, grapes.
bakaha.
Hmm.
Te ke,
No.
no, sorry. Tau kau,
Hmm.
tau ballu kau, ballu kau.
Yes.
Esha ka,
Yes.
esha lata. Petika. This is petika, right? Petika.
Yes.
Te ke,
Hmm.
te petike.
Good.
This is ete ke, ete naryau.
Yeah. Ete, Nadio, Chadriya, Magide, whatever it is. Yes.
This is graham.
Bhavanam
Tani,
or Graham.
graham. Tat
Hmm.
tat kim,
Yes.
tat graham. Glass, is it? Oh my
Yes.
God. I forgot the name for glass.
चषकः वा
Chashakaha.
Chashakaha. Chashakaha.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeshah kaha. Yeshah shashakaha.
Chashakaha, not Shashakaha. Cha.
Cha.
Yeah. Chashakaha, it becomes
Chashakaha.
rabbit.
Okay. Chashakaha. Tau kau. Tau ashwau.
Yes. Next to okay, all these already are done. Now just asking question and reading. Karanji, please read. Oh, Suhasji, I think I left you. Sorry. Please read.
किम एषः वृक्षः आम् किम एषः मनुष्यः न किम एषः गजः न किम एषः गुल्मः न
What Sandhi Yashaka Gulmaha?
येषु गुल्मः
Simple.
Copy.
So that dropped. Yashaha is there. Dropped. That's it. Then.
किम एषा बालिका न किम एतत् पुष्पं न किम एषः भल्लुकः न किम एषा गजा एषा अजा आम् किम एतत् विमानम् आम् किम एषः रथः आम्
Is yes. Please read. Continue.
किम एतौ गजौ
Eto Gajo. Simple.
आम् किम ते पेटिके आम् किम
Answer. No. Te Petike.
आम् ते पेटिके
Hmm.
किम एते फले आम् एते फले किम ते पुस्तके न पुस्तके न ते पुस्तके किम एते छत्रे न एते छत्रे
छात्रे
Not Chatre. Chatre. Kim? Ete Chatre.
किम एते छात्रे न एते छात्रे न एते छात्रे
Na. Ete Chat. Na. Ete Chatre. Na. You have to say.
न एते छात्रे
When it is negative, Kim? Ete Chatre. Na. Ete Chatre. Na. You have to say. Am
छात्रे
means okay. But here negative, right? So my previous also. Kim? Te Pustake. Na. Te na Pustake. Then what? Te. Ankanyo or Lekanyo.
Lekanyo.
What Lekanyo?
न will come at the end
Hmm?
न will
Yeah.
come at
Yes. Now you can come at the end or come at the beginning. It's okay. First you are negating that, and then you are saying, "Nah, this is not." Yeah.
किम तानी पर्णानि आम तानी पर्णानि
Yeah. Because here it is yes. Therefore, you are saying, and then they are leaves. Tani parnani. Suppose if it is not, na you will say, and then you will say tani na parnani or tani parnani na. That's okay. Whatever in whichever you say. Yes.
किम एतौ वृद्धौ एतौ
Na.
एतौ न वृद्धौ
Yes. Na.
किम
Etau na vriddau.
एतौ न वृद्धौ
Na, you have to say and then say etau na vriddau.
न एतौ वृद्धौ
No, not like that. No, no, no. Kim, etau vriddau. Na. First you are dismissing na.
न
Etau na vriddau.
अगेन यू हैव टू रिपीट न एतौ न वृद्धौ
Hmm. It's just a format I'm saying. You can say etau na vriddau, it's okay. I'm not saying it's right. It's right only. Understand? First you are
किम
saying no, and then you are saying they are not. Yes.
किम तौ तरुणौ न तौ तरुणौ
Hmm.
किम एते अजे आम एते अजे
Hmm.
किम तौ वैद्यौ I have not seen that न तौ वैद्यौ
Yes. Now next, Indraji. Sorry, Kiranji. Let's try.
किम् एते वानरः
Vanaraha.
वानराः किम् एते वानराः आम् एते वानराः
Very good.
किं ते मयूराः न ते मयूरा नाः
No. Na. Te
न
mayuraha na.
ते मयूराः न
Na is no, you cannot decline. Na is indeclinable. There is no naha, now, naha. Not there. Not one knot, two knots, many knots. Huh? Okay.
किम् एतानि वस्त्राणि आम् एतानि वस्त्राणि
Yes.
किं ताः कर्तर्यः
Hmm.
is that
Scissors.
yeah so कर्तर्य is scissors
Yes.
आम् ताः कर्तर्याः
Kartaryah. Kartari,
कर्तरि
kartaryo, kartaryah. Yes.
ओके किम् एता नर्तक्यः
Etaha nartakyah.
किम् एताः नर्तक्यः
Hmm.
आम् एताः नर्तक्यः
Yes.
किं ता वृद्धाः ता न वृद्धाः किम् एता चटकाः आम् एताः चटकाः
Chatakaha.
It is kapotah,
चटकाः
don't they?
Sorry. This is very difficult to
this is
find out. Okay.
कबूतर okay
If she says kabutar, we can take kabutar. It looks like that only. I don't whatever it is.
yeah
Yeah. Suppose na. Etaha. Chatakaha
चटकाः
na. Na.
न किं तानि
Hmm.
किं तानि
Amrani.
आम्राणि
Hmm.
It looks like arm only. I don't know.
They are not lam.
No.
They are panasam. They are jackfruit.
Ananthapalam.
No, they are jackfruit. Okay. Na tani amrani na.
Rani Amrani. No. Amrani mango. Mango does the mangoes do they look like in Rishikesh? Huh?
Big mangoes. So I thought they are big mangoes.
And you have got a big tree, jackfruit tree just near the office, huh?
Yeah, in front of my room. That
Yes.
big.
So
Yeah.
many are there. Will be there by
Yes.
this time, I think.
किम एते वृक्षाः न एते वृक्षाः न
Very good. Yes.
किम ते सर्पाः न ते सर्पाः न
Then what is that?
What is lizard?
Those are
Griha
lizards.
Godika.
Huh? Grihado.
Griha Godika.
गृह गोधिका
Te Griha Godika. Ha. Okay. Chitraji, you want to read?
Yes,
Talking
yes,
to
sir.
someone over phone. That's why I muted your mic. Okay, now read.
Actually, I just reached home, Shannon,
Okay,
you
okay.
kept him outside.
Yes, yes.
किम् एषः गुल्मः
What is Gulma?
गुल्मः tree?
Gulma tree. Really?
Yeah, I
We
don't
know
know.
we know only Gilma. What is Gulma? What is Gulma? Uh, Gulma
Even
is
I don't know.
Gulma is bush. Okay.
Push. Okay.
Cluster. It's called Gulma.
Okay.
This is not a Gulma. This is tree. Therefore, na.
न
Yeshaha.
एषः वृक्षः.
You can add so one more also. Na. Yeshaha. Na Gulmaha. Yeshaha. Vrikshaha.
न
Understand? Na you say and then negate. Yeshaha na Gulmaha. And then
Okay.
say what it is. Yeshaha Vrikshaha.
Okay.
Three sentences in fact. Yeah.
Yes. किम् एषः सिंहः. आम् एषः सिंहः.
Okay.
किम् एतौ कपोतौ. आम्
Am.
न एतौ न कपोतौ. एतौ मयूरौ.
Yes.
किम् एतानि विमानानि. न एतानि न
In
विमानानि.
Coimbatore, Vimana doesn't look like this, huh?
No, that's what I said. न एतानि विमानानि. न विमानानि. एतानि लोकयानानि.
Yes.
किम् एते द्विचक्रिके. आम् एते द्विचक्रिके. किम् एषा सम्माजिनी. आम् एषा सम्माजिनी. किम् एते शुकः. न
Shukaha.
शुकाः. न एते न शुकाः. एते बकाः.
Bakaha. Yes.
बकाः. किम् एते पुस्तके. आम् एते पुस्तके. किम् एतौ हस्तौ. न एतौ न हस्तौ. एतौ पाणिनौ.
Pani is and. Pano is okay. Not Panini. Pani is and.
Yeah, padau.
Not Pani. Pani only is there. Not Pano.
Okay. Padau. Kim etani palani. Etani na palani. Etani parnani.
Very good. Yes. Similarly, this one. Back to Savitri.
किम् एषः वृक्षः अस्ति. आम् एषः वृक्षः अस्ति. किं सः मयूरः.
Here we can, if you do Sandhi, it will be nice. How do you make Sandhi? Am Esha Vrikshah Asti.
आम् एष वृक्षः वृक्षोऽस्ति.
Yes. Am Esha Vrikshosti. See, now it is complete, looks something different. Am Esha Vrikshosti. Okay. Read.
किं स मयूरोऽस्ति. न स मयूरः नास्ति.
What will happen? Mayurah Nasti.
That's all.
Uttam only.
Yeah, it is Uttam. Mayuro
Nasti.
Mayuro nasti. Okay, Mayuro nasti. Sa shukosti.
Yes.
Kim esha kapotosti. Am esha kapotosti.
Good.
Kim sa sauchikosti. Am sa sauchikosti. Kim esha vaidyosti. Na esha vaidyonnasti. Esha pakosti.
No. Esha only. Esha Adhyapakosti.
That I can. Esho will come, right?
How Esha will come? Oh, okay.
Will come, no?
Yeah, okay. But
Okay.
that is, Uttam will come, or what will happen there?
Uttam should come and
Yeah.
Eshodhyopakosti. Yeah.
Sarga preceded by a, followed by a. Therefore, Eshodhyo. But never seen such usage at all in the
Yeah,
language.
it looks a little bit funny when I read also, but yeah.
Yeah, but because we always say so, Saha is there. But Eshaha, I've never come across using such sandhi in the language. Yeshaha, yesho, udyo. Never seen like that.
Okay.
Anyway, but that is a sandhi, in fact. Visarga preceded by a, followed by a.
Yes.
So yeshodyo pakosti will come like that. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Kim sa sainikosti? Am sa sainikosti. Kim yesha rugnosti? Na yesha rugno nasti. Yesha swastosti.
Yes. Swastaha is arogya, healthy. But
Kim
affected the person. Rugnaha is deceased. Sick man.
Kim sa rajakosti? Rajakaha is a barber.
No. Rajaka is the washerman.
Huh?
What?
Shaman, Dobi.
Dhobi.
Oh, Dobi. Okay. Kim sa rajakosti? Na sa rajako nasti. Sa
Napitosti.
napitosti.
Napitaha is barber. Please note. Rajakaha,
Barber.
napitaha. Right. Next one. Indraji.
किम एषा कलिका अस्ति? न एषा कलिका नास्ति, एषा लता अस्ति। किम सा दर्वी अस्ति? न सा दर्वी नास्ति, सा चालनी अस्ति।
Darbi is ladle. Chalani is
Darvi is
wheel.
ladle.
Ladle. Yeah.
Ladle.
Yeah.
Chalani.
Chalani is the
Seal. Saladai.
जल्लडै। किम एषा लेखनी अस्ति? न एषा लेखनी नास्ति, एषा अंकनी अस्ति।
Ankani pencil, lekari pen.
Okay. किम सा गृहगोदिका अस्ति? आम सा गृहगोदिका अस्ति। किम एषा मयूरी अस्ति? It's Mayura only.
Yeah, Mayuri only. Mayuri is Srilinga.
आम
Mayura will have feathers.
आम एषा मयूरी अस्ति। किम सा स्थालिका अस्ति?
No.
No, Stali is not a plate.
न सा स्थालिका नास्ति,
Vellani.
Velani.
वेलनी। What is it? पेलनी।
Velani. Roda.
पेलनी।
Rolling pin.
पेलनी अस्ति। किम एषा गोशाला अस्ति? न एषा गोशाला नास्ति, एषा
Ashwashala.
अश्वशाला अस्ति। किम सा पेटिका अस्ति? आम सा पेटिका अस्ति।
Yes. Next one. Suvashri.
किम एतत् फलम् अस्ति? न एतत् फलं नास्ति, एतत् पुष्पम् अस्ति। किम तत् वातायनम् अस्ति?
Vatayanam is window. This is not a window. This is a door.
न तत् वातायनं नास्ति।
Then what this said?
Dwaram.
द्वारम्।
Tat dwaram asti.
किम एतत् मन्दिरम् अस्ति? न एतत् मन्दिरं नास्ति, एतत् गृहम् अस्ति। किम तत् उद्यानम् अस्ति? न तत् उद्यानं नास्ति।
Then what is that?
आम तत् उद्यानम् अस्ति।
That is garden only. Looks like that.
किम एतत् आम्रम् अस्ति? आम एतत् आम्रम् अस्ति। किम तत् कलदी फलम् अस्ति? आम तत् कलदी फलम् अस्ति।
Kadali
किम
palam.
कदली
Not kalida palam. Kadali palam.
कदलीफलम्।
एतत् उपनेत्रम् अस्ति? आम एतत् उपनेत्रम् अस्ति। किम तत् मुखम् अस्ति? न तत् मुखम्, तत् चक्षु अस्ति।
Netram.
tat mukham
tat
nasti tat netramasti.
netramasti.
Chakshu.
Chakshuhu, you have to say. You know how to
Yes.
decline chakshuhu? You don't know.
Yes,
Chakshus sakaranta shabda. Chakshuhu, chakshushi, chakshumshi. So netram is simple. So that you can use.
And we should
You
also
know-
say saha chakshuhu, even if you want to say it. Saha
No,
chakshuhu.
no. Why?
No? No, tat
Chakshuhu
it is saying chakshu is pullinga or no?
Napumsakalinga.
Oh, it is Navamsakaling. Okay.
Chakshuhu, chakshushi, chakshumshi.
Okay.
Manaha, manasi, manamsi.
Oh.
In manamsi, in your homework, that why anuswara is not happen. Anuswara should happen. Check
Okay.
your homework. Apadanta nakara followed by C, jal.
Yes.
Anuswara will come.
Anam.
Just I happen to see that.
Yes.
Okay.
Shravanji, I have a class, so I need to leave. Thank you very much.
Yes, please take care.
Okay, Om. Om.
We'll complete another 3 pages or there's 50. Okay, quickly you can tell the name of this. Etat Kim. Anyone? First one.
Trousers, alle?
Hmm.
Aha. I don't
Urukam.
Urukam.
Padarakshe. Raksharakshe. What linga?
Pada rakshakam, raksham. No,
Rakshe is no already.
Raksha. Raksha should be.
Ete Padarakshe.
Ete
Rakshe is Damarame. Srilinga.
Ramarame.
Next one is.
Amram.
Next one.
Panasapalam.
Anasapalam.
Lata.
Parnam.
Not Parnam. Lata it is.
Lata.
Lata Parnam is there.
Salata.
Yes. Next one.
There's a butter.
No,
It's a
not
rose.
about- it's-
Rose. Patalam you can say, or just Pushpam, whatever it is. Next one.
That's a Nanayam.
Nanayam.
Nane, Rupyakam,
Ekam.
Katti,
Churakam.
Shurika.
Surika.
Time please. Yes.
Sagati.
Very good.
Gati.
This is what?
Sadarvi.
Yes.
Velani.
Velani. Then
Sagalini.
Chalani. Next one.
Chalani.
Pushpadani.
Oh,
Flower vase. Pushpa Adani. Okay, Pushpadani. Compound. Savana Dirgha Sandhi. Then
Vriksham.
Vrikshaha,
Shaka.
Shaka,
Gatam.
Gataha, not Gatam. Gataha or Patram.
Gataha. Okay.
Makshika.
Makshika. Next one.
Utakam.
Yutakam.
Yutakam. Tat Yutakam.
Parnam.
Parnam.
Patram.
Patram.
Kagadam, paper. Then
Tat Mushakaha.
Moshakaha,
Vidalaha.
Vidalaha. Then
Mar.
Simha.
Simhaha.
Simha.
Then
Sahashukaha.
Sunakaha.
Sunakaha.
Not Shukaha.
Dog has become a parrot.
Next one.
Gopalaha.
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 Gopalaha. Pundu.
Nandana.
Garlic is
Lashunam.
Lashunam.
Pipalika.
This is not ant, right?
not
ant.
Makshika.
This is Makshika. The previous one is Pipalika.
Previous one Madhumakshika.
Even this is Madhulit.
Madulit.
This is Madhumakshika.
Madhulit.
This is just a Makshika.
Yeah, Madulit.
Yeah, Madhulit you can say. And next one.
Postman.
Paravahakaha.
Bar, say again.
Sorry, Patra, not Bara. Bara is photo. Patravagha.
Pravaha.
Pomegranate. Dadimam.
Dadima.
Shirt. Yutakam.
Yutakam.
All these things are the Padamshikam. But Padamshika is pant. Karamshika is shirt. Padamshika, Karamshika.
Karamshikam.
Now, this one last. Yes, Chitra, you can read. Kaha asti, kaustaha, kesanti.
Vrikshaha asti. Kaustaha
वृक्षौ स्तः के सन्ति वृक्षाः सन्ति पर्वतः अस्ति पर्वतौ स्तः पर्वताः सन्ति देवालयः अस्ति देवालयौ स्तः देवालयाः सन्ति शुकः अस्ति शुकौ स्तः शुकाः सन्ति वृद्धः अस्ति वृद्धौ स्तः वृद्धाः सन्ति शकटः अस्ति शकटौ स्तः शकटाः सन्ति रथः अस्ति रथौ स्तः रथानि
रथाः सन्ति
रथाः सन्ति ओके दण्डः अस्ति दण्डौ स्तः दण्डाः सन्ति दीपः अस्ति दीपौ स्तः दीपाः सन्ति दर्पणः अस्ति दर्पणौ स्तः दर्पणाः सन्ति
Very good. 50 pages we have done.
Danda in Tamil.
Danda is, yeah, Danda and Tamil also is Dandam only. And the another Danda we use to insult some people. You are useless. Danda we say. Useless. Dandam. Tamil Dandam.
Danda.
Useless person. Danda. Okay. So this from here we will read next class. And this is also a good book for you to practice. I can send a soft copy. This is published by Pondicherry. Samskrita, Sarala Samskrita, Samskrita Sarani. Two parts are there. Just a reading. Sandhi, all those things. When I was studying, I used to take all the exercise and I do. Ayam ashramaha, ayam ashramikaha, aham imam ashramikam, bhagutala purvam, ajanam, ayam rishihi. Maybe we'll do that next class. Sandhya also is there. Lots of practices, abhyasa. They will be there. Kriyapadam. Okay, we can do this also. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah, Kiranji.
Didadu, you can try. Dayate.
Yes.
Dhanyavadah.